Hi. Uh, Now we are going to see job setup in how to make job setup in the Mastercam. So, what is the relation the job setup in Mastercam and the job setup in the machine? Where that x0 y0 z0 in the machine and x0 y0 machine setting in the Mastercam. We are going to see on those things. We will make one small example here. So we'll not much concentrate on the uh, programming technique, and we will see there in the programming technique separately. Now we will concentrate only on the job setup. So I will break this entity, and if you want, we'll add some pillars. We'll add some drills also here. Some fillet will add it. Okay. So 4 fillets I added. And we'll make one outer rectangle. So, we'll make it the job is a little bigger, 200, so 160. Okay. So, suppose like this one wireframe I have made it. So for this, how are we going to utilize and make the job setup? Okay. So what is the procedure that we are going to see now? So first of all, you need to select the machine. I have selected default machine. So just clicking, you will see the stock setup or job setup. You can see it there. Sometimes it may be like this. Now I made the my job at the exactly on the center. Uh, so X, Y, Z, all three will meet at the center of the job. So this is the Mastercam X, Y, Z 0. The same place I made the 0. If you make the program means it will come all the four quadrant. You can see that your geometry is there in all four quadrant. Okay, x minus and y minus. So all four quadrant, z plus, z minus. Your all axis. So if you keep at this point and generate. So when tool moves here, then it is shown x plus to x minus, y minus. When it comes to the third quadrant is x minus or y minus, and fourth quadrant it will come means y minus x plus. So like this your program. So this is all about what I am saying is your NC output. Okay. So what are all the options are set 0. You can make this corner, all four corner is 0, either one corner 0 or the center of the job 0, or the hole may be the any one hole may be 0. So you have around 4 plus 2, um, no, 4 plus 3 around seven options are available now. So wherever if you want, you can make your 0. You need to understand where you want to make the 0. So now I made the job center the center of that whole. So if you want to change the 0, so now suppose I just moved this corner as 0 now. So x0 y0 is the left hand corner. So suppose my x is not so machine is not possible to accommodate x, then you can modify. So center may be the 0. So 150 plus and 150 minus in the x. Okay. So like this, so y also 50% on the positive side, 50% on the negative side. Program is done in this software. There is no restriction here, but whatever the restriction over there in the machine, there, what is your machine limits? Based on that, you need to see that how best you can machine by setting your this job in your machine. Okay. So next, so now we need to put the raw material here. So you can click in the stock setup. So we know that Moscan X0 Y0 is there. So in job setup, so you can make a job setup by rectangle or solid or mesh. All this way you can define. Even some file also you can bring it here. These are the, so in the first case I will take a rectangle as a stock. So you can switch on the display job display. Even if you want to show the solid, that also you can switch on. So if by switching on, the display will be visible to you there in the screen. So you know the job size, you can directly put it over there. If you don't know means you can select corners. This corner to that corner, then you can give the thickness. Now you can the stock setup is made now. So this one method. One is directly you can give the date. Second is the selecting the corners to corner. So you can add some extra means additional that also you can do. I just made little size bigger than the my job. Okay. Suppose the edges if you want to correct it, you can correct it by adding some material. You can have one more option called the bounding box. If the 3D model bounding box works well, otherwise in 2D you can get the maximum extremity of x and y axis. You can see it here. It automatically creates the, so it will thickness we can give, don't give there, give it here only. So for 3D model is available, it's better you can go for the bounding box as a stock material. So it will take and it will give the raw material size. If you have surfaces all solid, all entity, you can make it in any one of the possible way. uh, if you can say all entities also option is there. So if you say all entity means it will select whatever there in the display, it will take and it will make the maximum extremities. However you want, you can do the job setup. You feel that the solid visibility is little awkward, so we can switch off and make the wireframe display. So if you want, we'll make one small toolbar. So we'll see here the 0. So this is your Z position. So now X0, Y0, Z0 at the top. So if I say Z is modified to 5 mm above, you can see that Z is moved above the 5 mm if you make it 0 again. This position also you can move it. You can move it at the bottom also. Now I moved it. You can see. So now total setting I modified. You see. Many times people will come across that this kind of issue. So you need to see that where the 0 is. You can reset. You can just hold that point and pull it wherever you want. So where is your X0, Y0 is Z0? That's what makes the difference. Nothing else. So now if I make it here, bottom is a 0 means automatically you can see that it XY is 50-50 it has come now. Thickness I have not given less, okay, you can modify it. So you can move the 0 point also here. Now you can see it has come up above. So you can give minus value here in the Z. So this reference is based on this point, okay. So above this it's a plus. So if you give at the top means then you see it reversed. So now I will make it at the this is all about the stock setup. You can use this stock materials, a cylinder, rectangle, uh, and file. Any method you can use it. This we will see detail in the next coming simulation. So now at the initial we understand. We can see cylinder where it's at that you can make it. You can make it as a cylinder, define a cylinder stock also. So suppose you want to specify cylinder stock for this, that also you can do it. So now you can see that this is made a cylinder stock here. Okay. So I will make it a minus means it is above the 0. So you can define a cylinder stock also like this. So even you can, if you have a solid model, then that also you can consider as a stock now. Okay. So now we are going to see the solid as a stock. I'll put it in the level now. 100 में I'll give stock. So you can switch off the level. So now you directly go here and select the stock as a solid. So okay. Now you can see that if you want you remove it from the level. Now you can see the stock. So automatically it will make some steel mesh. Okay. It will not look good, but it will. So if you want, you can give the solid stock in the some other place. You can give it here. I'll remove this stock now. I'll remove the stock. It is there. Stock is there still. So now make it rectangle now. Mm, Let it be 0, 0. So where else we can define the stock means? So you can go here where solid stock and mesh you can directly give it here. Okay, simulator. So if you for simulator option you need some tool path. Otherwise it won't allow you to select. Okay. There is option available. Some file also. If you make the stock file as any for file format, you can bring the STL file as a stock model. Okay. So now we have seen about all about the stock setup. How best we can make the uh, stock setup. So we'll make one small example and then we'll close this. End this. Okay. Oh, stock negative. Okay. That. Okay. So now we'll go for one small example. Toolpath, pocket.